Hello students, this is the chapter 10 of class 11th physics, which is mechanical properties of the fluid. So in this chapter our today's topic is pressure due to fluid column at rest. So what is the effect of fluid column, that is height of the column, on the pressure? We will study this topic. So for this, take a liquid in a container. So we assumed that a liquid is in the container at rest. Liquid is not flowing here, and imagine that a small object in the form of cylinder lying inside the liquid. So let liquid density is rho density, and suppose this is water, this is the fluid is a water. So so cylinder has two faces. So let the first face is at level 1 and bottom face is at level 2. So assume that level 1 has depth h1 from air water interface. This is the air water interface, and level 2 has depth h2 from air water interface. So now we find what are the forces acting on this cylinder. So actually there are three forces. Number one is F1, it acts on the level 1 vertically downward, F2 at level 2 vertically upward, and this is the weight of liquid contained in the cylinder which acts in downward, because weight always acts in downward direction toward the earth. So because the liquid is at rest, so the vector sum of all forces here should be 0. So because liquid here is water, or that is fluid, is at rest, therefore that is sigma, all forces should be 0. So consider upward force as positive, downward force let negative. So what are the net force? This F2 is positive and F1 minus W, F1 and W are negative. But P is equal to F upon A, pressure is equal to force upon area. So therefore F is equal to P into A. A is the cross section area. Here A is the cross section area of cylinder, area of the cylinder. So which is common, which is same for both faces. So what is F2? F2 will be P to A. Let P2 is the pressure at level 1. P2 is pressure at level 2 and P1 is pressure at level 1. So F2 is equal to P2A, F1 is equal to P1A, and minus W. This is equal to 0. But W is equal to mass into volume. Mass into gravity, M into G. And mass is equal to volume into density. What is volume? Volume is equal to area into height into rho into G. What is area? Let A this is H2 minus H1 rho into G. H2 minus H1 क्या होगा? हाइट ऑफ द सिलेंडर. हाइट ऑफ द सिलेंडर दैट इज H2 माइनस H1. सो H1 क्या है यहाँ पर? H1 इज द डेप्थ ऑफ लेवल 1 फ्रॉम द एयर वाटर इंटरफेस and S2 is the depth of level 2 from air water interface. So this last equation becomes here, this is equal to P2 minus P1A. What is W? A S2 minus H1 rho into G. This is equal to 0. So A cancel out here. So this is P2 is equal to P1 plus H2 minus H1 rho into G. This is the pressure at level 2. So we can say from this equation the pressure depends on the height of the liquid column, that is equal to S2 minus H1. Now consider another situation. In which level 1 is at interface of air and water. सो जो लेवल 1 है वो इंटरफेस द सरफेस, सपोज वी चूज द लेवल 1 एट द सरफेस ऑफ लिक्विड, दैट इज एयर वाटर इंटरफेस, एंड लेवल 2 एट डेप्थ h below the surface. So it means this is the level 2, its height is h, depth is h. So that is H1 is becomes 0, S2 is equal to H, you can say, and P1 becomes now here atmospheric pressure, that is P, because there is no depth for phase 1 level 1, because level 1 is at now H1 is equal to 0 for level 1, that is height of the level 1 is 0 because it is at the surface of the liquid. So P1 assume the value of atmospheric pressure. So P1 is equal to PA, and suppose P2 you can assume this is P. So pressure P2 at depth becomes P. Now substituting these value in equation number 1, suppose you can say this equation number is 1, 2, you can say this equation number 1. So on substituting this in equation number 2, so we get this is P is equal to PA plus H rho G plus H rho G. So which means the pressure at depth H is greater than pressure on the surface of the liquid. So here P is the PA is the atmospheric pressure, and its value is 1.013 into 10 to the power 5 Pascal, as you know. So it means the pressure at depth, at any depth, depends on the height of the liquid column. If we ignore the atmospheric pressure, that is, if suppose P is equal to 0, so that is P is equal to H rho G. So if rho and G that assumed constants are constants, that is assumed कर लिया हमने, so these values are constant, then P is proportional to H. So it means pressure due to the liquid column depends on the height of the fluid column. So if rho is fixed and G is also constant, then pressure due to the fluid column is directly proportional to the vertical distance or height of the fluid column. This implies the height of fluid column is more important to decide the pressure, not the cross section area or base area or even the shape of the container. So मेनली क्या होता है, जो फ्लूइड हाइट होती है उस पर डिपेंड करता है प्रेशर, बिकॉज डेंसिटी इज कांस्टेंट एट ए पर्टिकुलर टेम्परेचर. We here assume that it is constant. G also we have assumed it is constant, so it means P is directly proportional to H. So this is another application of this fact. This is hydrostatic paradox. This is the hydrostatic paradox. So according to which, if we take the containers of different shapes like this, and a liquid is filled in it, then if we take the vessels of different shapes, let this is vessel A, this is vessel B, and this is vessel C as shown in figure. These vessels are connected at bottom by horizontal pipe. ये connected है horizontal pipe से. When they are filled with a liquid, suppose water, it occupies the same level, even though vessels hold different amount of water. इनके अंदर वाटर का अमाउंट डिफरेंट होगा, बट दे ऑक्यूपाई द सेम लेवल, सेम डेप्थ. बिकॉज ये क्यों होगा? बिकॉज एट बॉटम ईच सेक्शन ऑफ द लेवल एक्सपीरियंस द सेम प्रेशर. सो प्रेशर यहाँ पे क्या है, सभी का सेम है, बिकॉज हाइट इज सेम. सो एट द सेम लेवल द प्रेशर इज सेम. सो liquid occupies the same level in the different containers, different shapes of the container, and this is known as hydrostatic paradox, according to which the pressure exerted by the liquid column depends on the height of liquid column and not on the shape of container. So it means the pressure exerted by liquid column, pressure exerted by liquid column depends only on the height of liquid column and not on the shape of container, not on the shape and this is known as hydrostatic paradox. यही क्या होता है आपका, and this is the application of pressure due to the fluid column at rest. So चिल्ड्रन इस वीडियो में हमने पढ़ा जो प्रेशर होता है ड्यू टू द फ्लूइड कॉलम, दैट इज P इज इक्वल टू H rho g, and that depends on the height of the fluid column. So if we take G and rho that is density is constant, P is directly proportional to H, on which we can explain hydrostatic paradox. So इस वीडियो में इतना ही है. थैंक यू वेरी मच. ओके बच्चों.